Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with the workbook open and saved. This prevents pop-ups while changing print behavior. Once done, confirm Windows has a default printer because Excel relies on it to skip preview. Next, add Quick Print or Print to the Quick Access toolbar. This gives one-click printing that bypasses the backstage preview. Make sure to place Quick Print first for muscle memory. These steps set up Excel so you can print directly without being stopped by the preview screen. You now add Quick Print via File Options Quick Access toolbar. Pick Quick Print and the standard print command and hit Add. Once added, clicking Quick Print sends the file directly to the default printer, no preview. If you automate, use a simple macro, Active Window, Selected Sheets. Printout Preview equals false. This tells Excel to execute printing without showing preview. Save the macro in Personal, XLSB to reuse across workbooks. By doing this, you finish by testing the direct print on a single sheet to confirm settings and margins. If output looks good, print the full workbook. Once done, make sure to save the QAT layout, and if using a macro, trust the personal macro workbook. If print preview still appears, check for custom add-ins or a saved printer dialog forcing preview and disable them. As a key troubleshooting tip, run the VBA command Active Window. Selected Sheets. Printout Preview equals false to bypass preview. This usually resolves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.